outside like ants just waiting for you to do a pull. Like. Guys, this is day 2 now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add this video with yesterday video or not, but it might be another video or it might just be together. I don't know, we'll see. Posted up with this nice 540 and look at this Q50 air it out. Like, damn guys, look how nice that thing looks, just aired out. 540 and an S4. These are like 3 of my favorite cars in a way. Look at the 540 on BBS's. The fitment on that thing is insanely nice. This paint is like, this black like sparkles right in the sun. If you can see it right now, the sun is shining on this thing. Shout out to dude. But yeah, just got a little lift in this morning. Now we're about to get ready to go on the strip and meet up with everybody else. A bunch of the homies and other guys. The show is today. Today is the show day and tomorrow. So show is Saturday and Sunday. But I might just go today only and then chill. Supposedly Saturday night is gonna be pretty crazy. Last night was insane. I didn't even get home until 6 a.m. this morning. Yeah, pretty tired. The boys running on like 2-3 hours of sleep. And now we're back at it again. So let's get ready and head out. I gotta go to the gas station, get some gas, and there's probably gonna be a meet there. There's literally like a meet everywhere you go. And today's the last night, Saturday, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be even crazier than yesterday. So we're waiting to get into the convention center. And look at that water park over there, guys. This is such a nice view right here. Loud BRZ. E92 sounds so good. Yo, let me get through, brother. I feel like I'm driving up Beverly Hills right now. Damn, that's hella car. There's hella cars over there in the parking lot, guys. You see all them cars parked over there? There's like, I feel like we're at an amusement park with cars. So I just pulled up to the convention center now. About to go check out the cars in there. Got a nice little parking spot. It's nice and sunny out. Might get a little hot. This is a nice view. I might try to get like a little picture or a video or something later with the freaking slide and shit in the background. It's pretty sick. But yeah, let's go check out some cars. And I'll probably check out all the cars in the parking lot later too. I see a lot of nice cars out here. Look at that vet over there. R33 just hiding in the cut. So we made it into Gatlinburg car show, Slam Enough car show, as you can see right behind me. Everybody's in here. It is packed in here. I'm pretty interested in this game setup over here because I'm trying to get one of this set up for my house. I've been seeing this thing like all over social media and stuff. Like, I think it's pretty sick. I've been seeing people do cut up videos and stuff. But let's go check out all the cars in here and see what they got. Like, look at this wrap on a C8. I think that's pretty sick. That's pretty different. I like that type of look on there. What you call that again? I fucking forgot. I can't remember, but maybe I should do something like that to the S4. And it's red too. This thing is crazy. So they started playing music in here. I jinxed it. So some areas I can't really record because I don't want to get copyrighted, but I'm gonna try the best I can. Like all that mixture, all these stickers on there. Look at that vent for the rear though. That thing is crazy. Let's check out inside. Red Recaro seats. This thing is so low to the ground. Like, dang. Oh my goodness. Look at that big old turbo sitting back here. That color piping is perfect. Look at this rust bucket, guys. Man, what is this thing doing here? This thing is probably gonna win the best, worst car of the show here. No, I'm just playing. It's got a Viper motor though. Oh shit, I was talking shit for no reason. This thing will smoke everybody here. So inside was too damn packed. It was too loud. Couldn't record nothing. Outside actually have way better cars. Inside cars is pretty ugly, to be honest. Outside have way better cars. Like look at that Supra. There's a Vet over there. Inside was different, bro. There's a whole bunch of cars out here. So there you go, Supra pulled up to the mix. Damn, that color is different too. Right-hand drive Supra. Damn, no, that color RCF over there is nice. Damn, look at the Benz GTS right beside me, guys. Civic with no hood, big turbo, yes, it is crazy out Saturday night. It's Saturday night. As you can hear, it is crazy out Saturday night. Stuck in traffic, just cruising around, stuck in traffic, trying to everywhere, but Saturday night in traffic. I'm gonna go cruise the strip. I lost all my friends, because there's no way we can cruise together. Everybody's gonna get stuck. This is super fun. F80, F3. Everybody's out having a good time. Damn, 240 look good. Look at that 240. You seen that 240? That 240. About to see what the boys are. I'm trying to get like the best, I don't know, I'm trying to like get good content as possible. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that Benz. You see that? The wide body kit on there is so nice. You see some nice cars out and then you don't. There's a lot of clapped out cars, but then like sometimes you might run into something nice on the road. You might run into a influencer too. It's scraping everywhere. You can hear the whole thing just scraping around, driving, bro. Yo, people are outside like ants just waiting for you to do a pull, like. Watch past it. Send it! Send it! They're all just waiting for me. As you can hear, it's fucking deep. It is crazy out. It's loud as hell. Cars are posted up everywhere. Man, there's like a madhouse out here. Cars and everybody. Yeah, you can clearly hear in the background. It's fucking crazy out. For the past whole weekend, bro. There's a dude in a pants suit. Damn VQ action, of course. Bro, they got a whole SWAT truck out here, guys. There's a whole SWAT truck out here.
Hey, Taco, telling me.
They got a whole SWAT truck out here, bro. There go Jimmy's. Let's go see what's up with Jimmy's.
And they started tearing us out.
Damn. I don't know what's going on, but everybody's in a little circle over there, going crazy. You can't bring cars in, so they got dirt bikes in here, revving and shit, bro. Woo! We can't bring cars in, so now you bring bikes and shit? What happened earlier though?
I heard they get like
somebody got shot?
Yeah, I think they were like stabbing somewhere.
What the fuck?
Somebody pulled a gun, I think. I don't know if they got shot. Everything.
Crazy. They gated everything out. People are just still sitting there chilling. That's crazy. Crazy. You still hear that shit from over here. They're having like a rev battle out there right now. It's like the perfect spot. The vet boys pulled up. C8, Z06, C5. Damn, it is 12 a.m. again, and tonight is even crazier. Cops screaming on both sides, bro. This S550 is so nice. Sounds good too. I like that wing over there. Drive safe, man. Take it easy. Hey, sweet. What's up, guys? It is the next morning. now, Sunday, the last day for the show, but it is canceled today because a lot of shit has gone down last night, so they canceled the show. I'm about to go get some pictures and reel of my car and probably meet up with the guys for a last little meet before we head out. But yeah, I guess we might be heading out today. The S4 is just chilling over here in the cut. There's a bunch of cars rolling out right now already. I don't know what's going on since the show is canceled. There's like hundreds and thousands of cars here right now. And they have the news reporter out at Jimmy's over there. Porsche GTS. Those things are pretty fast too. You upgrade the turbos. I think they come turbo as well. When you upgrade the turbos, that thing goes fast. And it sounds good too. Correct me if I'm wrong though. So look who I pulled up next to. OKQ. With the Hawk over there. This thing look crazy in person. Look at the wrap. Look at the headlights, man. Everybody got those damn crazy colorful RGB headlights. I need to do that to mine. You got the Dragon Ball Z wrap on the Hawk. That thing is crazy. Yo, look at that. He's pissed off. He even got wrap on the freaking calipers, bro. Carbon wheels. It's so nice to see this thing in person, bro. That's crazy. Look at dude in the back. Dang. Good old Valvetronic back there, of course. That's sick. Look at this fake taxi, bruh. Look at the sparkle on this thing, though. Yo, you got Ted in the back? What's up, Ted? You got Ted and shit back here, bro? Ooh, that's a nice color Mustang. That Tiffany blue, baby blue, new 400Z. That's sweet. The strip is packed. Now you see a bunch of regular traffic cars. I think all the sports cars are gone because we have to evacuate apparently. But yeah, I guess your boy's about to fucking head out. It was a pleasure to be here, but I guess I'm about to dip the fuck out here soon. Damn, who S4 is that getting sent back home on a trailer? X3. Hey. Damn, with the BBS's, yo, let me get them wheels, bro. Yo, that shit look good, bro. Let me get them wheels.